Most people don't realize this, but your liver is actually working hardest when you're asleep. While you're resting, it's filtering toxins, breaking down fats, balancing hormones, and cleaning your blood. But here's the problem. Most of us are slowly damaging our liver every single night without knowing it. Late dinners, sugar cravings, processed food, and zero support for the liver. And then we wonder why we wake up tired, bloated, or foggy. Now listen carefully, because this isn't about some expensive detox or supplement. It's about a simple drink you can take before bed that helps your liver do what it's already designed to do, but better. And no, it's not alcohol. That's doing the opposite. Here's something most people don't understand. Your liver doesn't need harsh cleansing. It needs support. Your body is smart. The liver is one of the few organs that can actually regenerate itself, but only if you stop overloading it and start helping it. So let me ask you something real quick. When was the last time you actually thought about your liver? Exactly. We care about our stomach, we care about our heart, but the liver, completely ignored. Yet it's doing over 500 jobs inside your body every single day. And when it's overloaded, it shows up as slow digestion, stubborn belly fat, skin issues, low energy, hormonal problems, and poor sleep. Doctors call it normal. It's not normal. It's liver stress. Now here's where it gets interesting. There's a simple warm drink you can take at night that gently supports liver detox while you sleep. No extremes, no starvation, no fake promises. It's warm turmeric water with lemon. But don't skip this video yet, because most people prepare this completely wrong, and that's why it doesn't work for them. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is known to reduce inflammation and support liver enzymes. These enzymes are responsible for neutralizing toxins so your body can actually get rid of them. If those enzymes are slow, toxins don't leave. They circulate. That's when problems start. Now, lemon plays a big role here too. It stimulates bile production. Think of bile as your liver's waste removal liquid. No bile, no proper detox. This combination works best at night because your liver enters repair mode while you sleep. But here's the mistake most people make. They drink it cold, or they add too much turmeric, or they skip one crucial ingredient. Cold drinks slow digestion at night. Too much turmeric can irritate your gut, and without black pepper, your body absorbs almost nothing. So here's the correct way to do it. Take 1 cup of warm water, not boiling. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Squeeze half a lemon into it and add a small pinch of black pepper. That black pepper is important. It increases curcumin absorption massively. If the taste feels strong, you can add a little raw honey, but only a little. Drink this slowly about 30 to 45 minutes before sleep on an empty stomach. Not every single night. 5 or 6 nights a week is enough. Now, don't expect magic overnight, but after about a week, many people notice better sleep, less bloating, lighter digestion, and more energy in the morning. That's not coincidence. That's your liver finally getting support instead of stress. But listen, this drink won't work if you're still doing these things. Heavy meals late at night, sugar before bed, fried food at dinner, regular alcohol, sleeping after midnight every day. You can't heal your liver and hurt it at the same time. If you really want to level this up, on some nights you can add a little ginger for circulation or cinnamon for blood sugar balance, but don't mix everything together. Simple works best. This isn't a miracle cure. It's not a detox scam. It's just working with your body instead of against it. Your liver works nonstop for you. No holidays, no complaints. This small nightly habit is a sign of respect for your body. If this video helped you understand your health a little better, hit the like button. It really helps this content reach more people. And if you want more real food-based health tips that actually make sense, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll show you one common food that silently damages your liver every single day, and almost everyone is eating it without realizing. You don't want to miss that.